I'm going to repeat that again. Crumbs turn into breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs turns into a whole loaf. You get it? What's going on, people? Stock market news, right? Stock market news. You better get in where you fit in. And if you want to get in where you fit in, business, real estate, stock market, those three things you should be trying to get in where you fit in. And stop putting all the energy in the stupidity. Now, what a time to be alive. What a time to be an investor. Now, when I say get in where you fit in is small crumbs plus breadcrumbs equals a whole loaf. I'm going to repeat that again. Crumbs turn into breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs turns into a whole loaf. You get it? Small change add up to big money. For all the half slow people out there. Now, if you only got $50, you invest $50. If you only got $10, you invest $10. I'm going to show y'all right now that I just purchased one share today. And we winning right now because we don't got to pay commission. So that's a win-win situation for you, which means you could just buy one a week if you want to. One every 2 weeks when you get paid. Your pay per however you get paid. I told y'all I got lit off of Apple. When Apple was $125, I was buying. Look where Apple at right now. I still own Apple. Look where Apple is at right now. When Apple was at $125, I was buying. It's that simple. It's that easy. You gotta preserve capital. You gotta preserve some capital. If you know to save some money is just to save money, cool. Now once you save the money, you develop the good habit of saving. Where are you gonna put the money? Where you gonna put the money at? If you don't know where to put it, you're gonna spend it. You're gonna be the top consumer. You're gonna make $200,000 a year and spend $200,000 a year. You dig me? Better use your brain, think, and get in where you fit in with this market. Because I'm telling you, we need more liquidity anyway. The more people get in, the more everybody get rich. The more people spend money out there, the more all the investors pile it up. Ghetto. Like, comment, and subscribe, people.